Hey, it's me, Tom Angelberger. As you may know, I usually do origami videos, but for the first time ever, I'm going to do an unboxing video because I got the coolest thing ever, and I don't know what's inside of it. As you can see, it's called Action Trading Cards for 39 cents, and up top here, you can see one of the cards is King Kong. Now, this is a lenticular, like you see on lots of things, but look at the next card. The next card doesn't move yet. That's because the magic lens is the secret of its action. You only get one magic lens for 8 cards. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to test out the different cards. I don't know what the other cards are. Obviously, this one looks like it was inspired by some Ray Harryhausen action from a long way back, some Jason and the Argonauts. This one's King Kong. Who knows what's inside? That's why I'm going to do the unboxing video. Now, when I bought it, the guy who sold it to me didn't want me to open it, but I've got to know what those other 6 cards are. So here we go. I'm going to try to do this real gently. I figured if I could just get this one staple out down here at the bottom, I could slip the cards out the bottom and slip them back in if I really ever wanted to. So here we go. Looks like they're coming out. Are they coming out? Uh-oh. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, here we go. Come on now, Exacto. Wow, this is why those unboxing videos are always so bad, I guess. It's because sometimes it's harder to get a box open than you expect. Okay, here we go. Come on now. Come on now. Maybe this is why the guy didn't want me to open it. Here we go. Okay, so here on top we've got the famous Jason the Argonauts looking item. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what's going on there, but it's incredible. Wow, I can't wait to see that in motion with the lenticular. Next up, oh, dinosaur action. Great, great. Next up, looks like another King Kong, but look how big this one is. He's larger than the Earth. And next up, oh man, oh, it's like somebody fighting a giant squid. Oh, it's beautiful. Wait a minute. Was that 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, wait, there's more underneath here. I hope. Oh, I'm going to have to rip out more staples to get to the rest. Well, got to do what you got to do. The guy didn't want me to open it. I just couldn't leave this hidden forever with nobody ever knowing what was inside of it. Oh, I hope I can get it all back together later. Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right, there's King Kong with the lenticular screen. As you can see, once you take the screen off, King Kong is dead. Oh, what is that? Let's go ahead and find out what's going on here. It's I don't know what it is, but I kind of like it. Oh man, he's busting up the Golden Gate Bridge, dude. Okay, and last but not least, oh my gosh, the best for last. Oh, look at him. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. All right, we'll flip through the rest of these quickly now that we know what we've got. We've got whatever this guy is, whatever that guy was, King Kong. Here's our Cyclops. Oh yeah, Cyclops. There he goes. Okay, and next up, looks like Gollum, giant size. What is he fighting? I can't even tell what he's doing. Looks like he's picking up a thimble. I don't know. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Oh man, what's he doing? He's waving his tiny arms. Wave your tiny arms, T-Rex. And what's going on up here? I don't even know what that's supposed to be. Oh, T-Rex. Oh, okay. Now, let's find out what giant King Kong does. He's stomping. It looks like he's stomping. Oh, my gosh. He's stomping on, it looks like Rhode Island. Sorry, people of Rhode Island. And last but not least, this giant Kraken. Some kind of, I can't even tell what's happening. I love his eyeball, though. Check out that eyeball. That's worth, oh, man. I'm so glad I unboxed it. I don't know if you're glad you watched a video of me unboxing it, but I'm really glad that I now know what's inside. Thanks a lot, everybody. Thanks to The Basement in Roanoke for selling me this beautiful item. And I'll see you all next time, hopefully with some origami.